Did you know that 75% of women over 35 struggle with estrogen dominance without even realizing it? You might be one of them right now. Weight gain that won't budge, mood swings that come out of nowhere, and energy crashes that hit you like a brick wall. These aren't just signs of getting older. They could be your body's way of telling you that your hormones are completely out of balance. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. The food you eat every single day might be making your estrogen dominance worse. I'm talking about everyday meals that seem perfectly healthy on the surface. That morning smoothie, your favorite salad dressing, even that organic chicken you bought last week. Today I'm going to share the exact recipes that have helped thousands of women restore their hormone balance naturally. These aren't complicated meal plans that require expensive ingredients. These are simple, delicious recipes that work with your body's natural healing process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how to prepare meals that fight estrogen dominance from the inside out. So grab a notebook because you're going to want to write some of these down. Let me start by explaining what's really happening in your body when you have estrogen dominance. Your liver is like a busy factory that's supposed to process and remove excess estrogen from your system. But when you eat certain foods, you're essentially throwing a wrench into that factory. The machinery slows down, gets clogged up, and suddenly your body can't keep up with the demand. That's when you start storing fat around your hips and thighs. That's when your periods become irregular or painfully heavy. That's when you wake up feeling exhausted even after 8 hours of sleep. The good news is that food can also be your medicine. Let me share the first recipe that changed everything for my client Sarah. Sarah came to me after struggling with weight gain and brain fog for 2 years. She tried every diet under the sun, but nothing worked. Within 3 weeks of eating this breakfast recipe, she lost 6 pounds and her energy came flooding back. Here's what she ate every morning. The hormone balancing breakfast bowl. Start with half a cup of organic steel-cut oats. Cook them in coconut milk instead of regular milk. Coconut milk contains medium-chain fatty acids that support healthy hormone production. While the oats are cooking, chop up half an apple and sprinkle it with cinnamon. Cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar, which directly impacts your hormone balance. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Flax seeds contain lignans, which help your body eliminate excess estrogen naturally. Top it off with a handful of blueberries and a tablespoon of almond butter. The healthy fats in almond butter give your body the building blocks it needs to make hormones properly. This breakfast keeps your blood sugar stable for hours. It provides your liver with the nutrients it needs to process hormones efficiently. And it tastes amazing, but breakfast is just the beginning. Watch other videos for lunch and dinner recipes which has helped my clients balance their hormones.